M&M play.
Ha 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 ha! This show is just hilarious. I am just cracking up. Ha ha ha!
Dad, I don't think it's funny at all.
Yeah, why?
Because it's not hilarious.
Ha! Did you see that, bro? Yeah, that guy just slipped down the stairs. Ha 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 ha! Hey, little brother. Yeah, big bro. You want some ice cream? Sure, it's so fatty, I just want to eat it. Okay, here you go.
Uncle Fred and Daddy, you cannot eat ice cream.
Why, Chelsea?
Because it is not healthy. What has your wife told you? I'm going to take this. I'm going to throw this into the trash can.
No! Our beloved ice cream, our delicious and beloved ice cream. She's gonna throw it out. Hug me, bro. Come on, hug me.
Yes, I am taking this to the garbage right away.
Somebody help us.
It's done. It's in the garbage.
You little stealer.
What is going on?
We were robbed. Our beloved ice cream is gone.
Okay. Chelsea, I was just going to tell you, I'm going to bake some carrot cake. Sounds delicious. It is going to be. I just hope the Kens will eat it.
Did you just hear what Barbie said, bro? Oh yeah, she was like talking something about carrot cake. Carrot cake? Blah. I wouldn't eat a bit of that. I want something a little fattier. Uh-huh. I just really wish we had our ice cream back. Yeah, but maybe we could go ask Barbie if she could make us some. Yeah, really fatty. Let's just hold the baby and watch some more TV. Wow, I'm just really up for a burrito right now. Yeah, me too. I think we should order some.
You little rascal. You're so funny. It's starting to smell really good. I think I'm going to go check on what my mom is doing. The recipe calls for shaved up carrots. I did that. I need 2 eggs. Got those. Hi, Mom. Hi, Chelsea. I was just starting to bake my carrot cake. Would you please go get an egg for me? Sure. I have your egg, Mommy. Thank you, Chelsea. Now we have our delicious egg in our bowl to make our delicious carrot cake. I am just so excited. Chelsea, would you please shave some carrots? Sure, Mom. Chelsea? Yes? Would you please go and get the microwave and the oven started? Mom. Thank you, Chelsea. I just need to heat up some butter. Okay. Chelsea, would you please take that delicious butter out? Mom. Now that we have our delicious butter in our bowl, I think we can start baking our cake. Yay! Can I mix? Sure, Chelsea. Stir, 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 stirring up the bowl. I love mixing. Look it, we have crunchy carrots and some butter. And we also have an egg. I just love mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Well, now that we made our delicious cake, I think we should put it into the oven. Good idea. I'm just so excited to taste it. Chelsea? Yes, Mom? Would you help me go to the store? I think we should get some Slurpees for us. Uncle Fred is staying over tonight, and he's going to want to taste this carrot cake. Okay, Mom. Let's go to the store. Chelsea, I'm so happy that we got our Slurpees. What's that smell? I remember I had the dinner lying out, but where'd it go? Oh no. You puppy, did you steal all our food? Mama, I think she did. That's all right. We can just have some carrot cake for dinner. Okay, Mom. I was just really looking forward to have some fish and crab. It's okay. It's okay. I think I'll just go tell the Kens that we're not having fish anymore. They'll be happy. I smell something. Something's coming out of the oven. It smells smoky and... Our cake! It's burning. It's burning. Chelsea! Yes, Mama? Go tell the Kens to call Grandma. She knows how to put out fires. Okay. I'll go tell the Kens. Daddy, Uncle Fred. Dude, are you listening? Mommy told me to tell you that you need to call Grandma because our carrot cake is burning.
Hooray! For carrot cake! It's burning, it's burning.
It's not funny. Mommy said it smells smoky, so you need to call Grandma.
Okay. We'll call her in 10 minutes.
But we need her right now. They're so annoying.
Do you think Chelsea's really true, bro? I don't know. I have my phone, so should I call Grandma? Nah.
Mommy, there's no more water.
It is starting to smell smoky. Yeah, but, dude, we don't like carrot cake.